The concept of a lawless society. A society without laws may seem chaotic, but in theory, it could function through social norms, mutual cooperation, and decentralized governance. Instead of rigid legal systems, people would rely on shared values and voluntary agreements to maintain order and resolve conflicts. Replacing laws with social contracts. Instead of written laws, a lawless society would need strong social contracts, unspoken agreements about acceptable behavior. These contracts would be enforced through cultural norms, peer pressure, and reputation rather than government-imposed penalties. Community-based conflict resolution. Without courts and law enforcement, conflict resolution would rely on mediation and restorative justice. Community leaders, elders, or trusted mediators would step in to settle disputes, focusing on fairness, reconciliation, and repairing harm rather than punishment. Economic systems without regulations. In a society without laws, economic exchanges would need to be based on trust, reputation, and mutual benefit. Blockchain technology, decentralized finance, and community-driven markets could help maintain fair transactions without legal enforcement. Crime prevention through social structures. Rather than punishing crime through a legal system, a lawless society would need strong social support systems to prevent crime in the first place. Education, economic equality, and mental health resources would play a crucial role in reducing harmful behaviors. Decentralized governance and decision-making. Without government-enforced laws, decision-making could be handled through decentralized, participatory governance. Communities might use direct democracy, consensus-based decision-making, or blockchain-powered voting to create fair and adaptable policies. Challenges of a lawless society. One major challenge is ensuring accountability. In the absence of laws, power imbalances could lead to exploitation, and there would be no formal system to protect vulnerable individuals. Societies would need strong ethical foundations to prevent injustice. Can a society truly function without laws? While a society without formal laws is theoretically possible, history has shown that some form of structure is necessary for large-scale cooperation. Small, tight-knit communities might function without laws, but larger societies typically require legal frameworks to maintain stability. Finding a middle ground. Instead of completely abolishing laws, societies could move toward minimizing unnecessary regulations while emphasizing ethical self-governance. Balancing personal freedom with social responsibility is key to creating a functional, fair, and harmonious society. The future of lawless societies. Advances in technology, AI-driven governance, and evolving social structures may make it possible for future societies to function with fewer laws. Whether such a system could work on a large scale remains an open question, but the idea challenges us to rethink how we structure human civilization.